What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. My name is MTG, and on this channel we talk about finance, YouTube, productivity. But in today's specific video, we're going to be discussing about how much YouTube paid me in 2023 with my main channel that has over 33,000 subscribers. Yes, you're probably looking at the subscriber count with this video, but you don't have 33,000. That's my main tech channel, MTG Productions. I'll be leaving a link in the description down below if you do want to take a look. But I'm going to be diving into my YouTube stats and analytics, just strictly discussing about YouTube AdSense. If you want to see a full breakdown of how much I actually made, including like sponsorships and affiliates and digital products, let me know in the comments section down below. So let's get right into it. Pulling up my channel analytics. There you go. $16,253.67 from 2022. So I first just wanted to compare what I made the year prior, $16,253.67 with 2022. And that's not too bad, as this is really my side hustle. It's not my main job. Hopefully one day it may. I love making content, reviewing the latest tech products and sharing my experience and thoughts about them, and also working on this channel as well. But yeah, this is how much I made in 2022 just from YouTube AdSense. And you can see, well, this is how much I earned the last like 6 months of 2023, but we're going to get into that. My top earning content from 2022 was $1,156, and then another video that performed $1,125. So I made a pretty decent amount from this, like side hustle, not too bad. And it's something I enjoy. I don't really see like, oh man, I have to, I have to push it out or else like I'm missing deadlines. Yes and no. I mean, in 2024, I'm putting a priority, like I have to get this video up by this day, but it's not necessarily like if I don't make it to that publish date or upload date, that I'm necessarily like missing out, especially if it's not a sponsored video. But I do want to discipline myself some more, and it is my business now, so hopefully I'm going to make it, continue to work on it, have it grow. Because like I said, I really do I enjoy making videos, making content like this, and also tech videos. So just a comparison, I'm going to switch to 2023, 33,000. Look, 2022, I didn't have 33,000 subscribers. Ending 2023, I had like 33,000, like 300 maybe-ish. So let's go to 2023. Here we go. So $11,000 or $11,181.72. So a 31% decrease from the year prior. There's some factors that go into this. My college was still continuing. It was my last year. I had to take an intern in the middle of the year as well to graduate. I had other things going on. Work obviously plays a role, so I wasn't able to push out the content that I originally planned to do. And since school and work were taking up so much of my time, I just had to cut back on the quality of the videos I put out for the channel. I did push out more, but those videos I pushed out more were YouTube Shorts. I didn't get to push out as much long form videos that I had originally anticipated. But yeah, YouTube AdSense or Google AdSense paid me $11,181.72. And if we look at the last 6 months, December was $13.28, which is pretty decent as a side hustle, not too bad. But $11,100 came from the videos itself, like the ads. So every 1,000 views, I was earning $3.51. Not too bad for tech niche. It's in the middle. 3.2 million views. Again, not too bad. I'm hopefully going to push that even further in 2024. So definitely be sure to subscribe to my main channel, and definitely subscribe to this channel to stay tuned as I do post updates, and also just my thoughts and experience and feedback, and also just what I feel about finance in general, and some tips and tricks. Now, YouTube Shorts paid me $67.71 in total in 2023. 2 million views from YouTube Shorts, and I earned 3 cents per 1,000 views. And with live, I earned 9 cents. I didn't really go live in 2023. Maybe hopefully in 2024, I'd like to go live, maybe earn some more. But for every 1,000 views, I earned $1.22, and I only got 76 views. So hopefully I may go live more often, maybe once a month, once a week, we'll see, or once every other week, and maybe earn some more. But yeah, 11,000, 31% decrease. Now my top earning content, if we scroll down here, which believe it or not, is this car mount for iPad, $623.42. And I published this video in 2021, at the end of 2021, and it's really kicking off now. It has officially become my highest watched video in terms of views, 402,000 long term. Now my highest video, that's my YouTube Shorts, over 700,000 views. Then you should buy the Pixel 6a in 2023, and here's why: $404. S23 Ultra unboxing, $366. An iPhone 12 mini in 2023, and then Galaxy A54 4 months later. So pulling this up, we can see, oh, let's actually go back from here. There we go. So I know exactly when I published. My highest paid was published in 2021. I got one published January 2nd, 2023. Then I had the S23 Ultra, great phone by the way, but the S24 Ultra, depends on when I upload this, but it's going to be unveiled January 17th, and I will be picking it up and making content. So if you want to see content about the S24 Ultra, definitely be sure to subscribe to my main channel. February 14th, I uploaded the unboxing, and that made $366. That's great. But what caught me off surprise were these two: my experience renting a Tesla Model 3 from Hertz. I published this in 2022, and it earned me $294.40. And then this iPhone 13 mini and iPhone 12 mini, which was a phenomenal video in terms of income, and it's my second highest viewed long form video, $291. That's still earning me some good money. I also have another video, renting a Model 3 from Hertz in 2023. So what I try to do is I take a look at my successful videos and I kind of build on top of them, or kind of remake them the year after, because they tend to do well. I mean, this experience from Tesla Model 3 from Hertz, renting it in 2022, I saw I was getting some traction. So I was like, hey, why don't I rent one again in 2023, since Hertz, or renting a Model 3 has become more accessible now in Hertz, whereas it kicked off in 2022, their rental program with Teslas, with Hertz. So I started that year, and in 2023, it was more accessible in where I lived. So I was able to pick one up from my local airport, which was really great. And they also offer Model Ys. And now Hertz does offer you to use the Tesla key when you rent the vehicle, or the app, which is great. They already gave you the key, but not the app. But now you have app access, which is awesome. Surprisingly, this video right here, which I published at the end of 2023, November 30th, earned me $225. So that's like in my top 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, it's my 10th highest paid video, and I published at the end of the year. Again, I've got some iOS 17 stuff here that are up here. Galaxy S23 6 months later. We got some iPad mini 7 stuff that are up here. We got some good stuff here. Like, we got some very good videos, and surprisingly, a lot of them are from 2023, but there are some that surprise me that are from 2022 as well. But yeah, this is a tech niche, so do keep that in mind. If you make, a channel that talks about finance, then you have 33,000 subscribers, you're more than likely going to be making more. Now, this is not how much I, pulled in from the YouTube channel, just from AdSense. Like, it's not just AdSense. I had affiliates, I had sponsors, I had digital products that I didn't put into account here. So this is just how much I made with Google AdSense. This 33 or 31% less is going to change for 2024. Definitely going to be pushing out more content and working on upping my monetization or upping the revenue from YouTube, Google AdSense. Now, I made this video so you guys can get a sense and an understanding of, how much I get paid or how much a tech niche gets paid. And I'd still recommend starting one in 2024 because you never know. This is a great side hustle. You definitely got to put in the work and the effort into it. And there's also there's so many different types of channels you can do. You can either do what I'm doing, you can make other different types of content. There are YouTube faceless channels you can try out. Those usually take off pretty well. It takes some time. Again, you have to work for it, but you will see the results once you start putting in the work. I'm really happy with the results. Hopefully in 2024, they will definitely be better. I'm going to be working hard to increase my overall revenue with this, but definitely recommend starting a channel. Even in 2024, you're not too late. There's always people out there that start this year or they'll start next year and they'll probably end up passing me in terms of subscribers, revenue, and views, whatever it may be. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video. And if you have any questions, comments, if you want to see a full breakdown of how much I made, including all of my other streams of income for my YouTube business, let me know in the description down below. And just your general thoughts, ideas, what you want to see on this channel, what types of finance videos you'd like to see, let me know in the comments down below. That's been it for me. I'll catch you guys in the next episode.